The last 2 weeks has been a roller coaster for TikTok and all of us that use TikTok to get OnlyFans subs. TikTok has been a bit of a whirlwind because Joe Biden some months ago said that if TikTok does not sell the US portion of their service to the US, then they will get banned in that country. Now, if you use TikTok, you know that USA is by far the biggest audience. That's why there's methods out there to show how to get a US audience regardless what country you're in. I even teach that myself because that is a big source of OnlyFans traffic. Now, since Biden said that if they do not sell the US portion of their service, they will get banned in the US, that threatens to cut out a major part of our audience that we are marketing to on TikTok. Stick around to the end of the video and I'll show you how to mitigate this by using other platforms to get more OnlyFans traffic from to make up for the loss of the USA audience on TikTok. But for now, let's see where we're at. All right, so some months ago, the Supreme Court said that it would uphold the China ties. Shortly after this, everyone started flocking to Red Note, which is, I guess, an alternative, a Chinese alternative. They started flocking to that. Then, all of a sudden, apparently Chinese officials were saying, all right, we'll sell to the US, but only if Elon Musk buys it. But then there was another person who wants to buy it, Kevin O'Leary from Shark Tank. He said that he'll get a group together and he'll offer to purchase TikTok. Then word got out that Donald Trump was going to intervene himself when he became president. And then it just happened. So Jan 19th came, there was no sale and TikTok closed shop. They gave a statement and then they showed this when you would open up the app inside the US. It was the important update from TikTok. Now, what I noticed on X when I was looking around was that there's a structure in TikTok. It's called something like the golden shares structure. This means that a portion of the shares are actually owned by the Chinese Communist Party. So this would explain why they did not want to sell their US portion to the US and why none of these deals were going ahead. But shortly after TikTok closed up, they were back. This is because Trump decided to intervene after all and halt the TikTok ban, granting them a 90-day extension to make the deal and avoid being banned. Now, if you know Trump, he is all about making deals. That's his whole shtick. So if you are worried about it getting banned, since Trump has officially intervened, I would actually not worry so much because this guy likes negotiating. That is his whole thing. He likes making deals. Let's hear from him himself.
What every rich person has called me about TikTok.
You wanted to block TikTok. Why did you change your mind?
Because I got to use it. And remember, TikTok is largely about kids, young kids. If China's going to get information about young kids, I don't know. I think, to be honest with you, I think we have bigger problems than that. But you know, when you take a look at telephones that are made in China and all the other things that are made in China, military equipment made in China, TikTok, I think TikTok is not their biggest problem. But there's big value in TikTok if it gets approved. If it doesn't get approved, there's no value. So if we create that value, why aren't we entitled to like half?
Sir, if you don't
There you go. Now, I also saw this. This is proof that he did actually sign an executive order halting the ban.
What's going to happen with that? He's got some very strong ideas in the market.
You signed it. Did you sign the TikTok order?
Yeah.
Yes, that was just signed.
Marco Rubio said yes.
Just signed it.
Boom. Now that's that. Now let's talk about a plan B. In their worst case scenario that TikTok is banned, I suggest amplifying your marketing efforts on Reddit. Reddit is becoming more of a honeypot because a lot of people seem to be getting filtered out by this new CQS system. What's happening is people are trying to market on Reddit. New people are coming in trying to market on Reddit to get OnlyFans subs. They're being held up by the CQS system and they're bailing. So that means that it is a honeypot for the people that actually ride it out. Now, in my school, I show exactly how to get around the CQS system, the contributor quality score, how to build it out, how to farm karma, and then the exact strategy and funnel that we use. So if you are worried about TikTok getting banned, I would 10x your marketing efforts on Reddit for each model ASAP. Reddit is still a goldmine all these years later, and now it is even more so now that a lot of people are just starting to bitch out because the CQS is too hard. But anyway, if you think it's too hard, join my school. I'll show you exactly how to get around that, build up your Reddits, get around this new pain in the ass CQS system, all right? And as usual, if you like the video, go smash like button, smash subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.